What's up everyone, welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like and subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon. We're posting 4 videos every day, so make sure to check back every single day. We're aiming for 20k subscribers and get the deal in the description if you haven't already. Plenty of free crypto and goodies down there. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, make sure to hit the subscribe and the bell icon. People aren't seeing our content and this is probably because you haven't hit the bell icon. Thank you again for all your support. The algorithm is slamming a lot of content creators right now, so we really appreciate all your support. And we're so proud of the amazing community that we've built, so make sure to jump into the Telegram and the free Discord. So just taking a super quick look at Avalanche here, and as we can see, it's looking very, very good indeed, isn't it? Overall, the macro structure for this crypto is looking very, very nice. You can see obviously higher high, higher low, higher high, where we have had this massive move to the upside in recent weeks. Obviously with Avalanche growing in popularity, the demand for the token has been increasing as well. You can see here we actually came down to around $9 or $10 here. Since then we've done a clean 10x up to around $144 there. But a bit of a retracement recently, obviously with Bitcoin rolling over. Avalanche did actually pump in the face of Bitcoin rolling over, but since then has had a little bit of a correction to the downside, looking as though it is holding this very nice level of structure here as well, where we come up, we get overextended, we come back down, we test support again, come down again, test support. So far just heading up to the upside, really bullish. Overall, the ecosystem fleshing out really well. There's obviously good projects on it now. Trader Joe being a very excellent DEX. The low fees are obviously a big plus for the ecosystem as well. And there's been a lot of DeFi growing on there as well, like obviously Wonderland Time has been getting a lot of press recently. The Reserve DAO getting a very nice amount of credit for a lot of investment, let's say. Lots of other different stuff growing on there as well, but overall the ecosystem looking as though it's growing in TVL really nicely, and because of that we have seen Avax having a really nice pump as well. And you can see here from a technical perspective that we are forming some kind of potential pennant here, obviously just coiling into the apex. And if we do see the break to the upside here, obviously retesting the all-time high at 145 and then beyond. And if we roll over, probably coming back down towards this $100 level, very strong psychological, would say, level of support. Just draw this in like this. You can see that will be a very key level in our opinion at $100, which will be, it was resistance flipped into support. You can see here resistance come up, flipped into support. If we roll over, we're probably heading towards that very strong level of support in our opinion. So overall, really not that much to say about Avalanche other than it's looking very strong indeed. Obviously right now coiling up for a potential move in either direction. You can see it here, coiling. Obviously if we break down, as we said, short-term price predictions, then if we break down $100 would be a very strong support. We might even go lower to around that $92.5 level at this swing low here. But moving to the upside, if we head up, we're obviously heading for $145. And if we do move to the upside more than that, we just throw a fib retracement on here for this recent move from high to low. You can see, look how well this is being respected, by the way. Absolutely incredible. High to low, you can see here resistance, support. And then obviously if we move to the upside here and we're heading upwards in the immediate short term for a longer term price prediction, you can see here we've got some nice extensions. That 227 extension up at around $238 for Avax. Obviously, we do think that Avax could potentially go even further than this, based on, the crazy bullish momentum that it has had recently. If we throw the fib retracement on for this entire move here, for example, from high to low, you can see that we are actually looking at some very nice extensions for Avax. That 227 all the way up at $634, which is a clean 6x or so, 5 or 6x from the current price. We're not saying this is going to happen, but you can see just how well these levels are being respected right now. And if we take a little zoom in here, you can see that 127 is sitting right on $100, a very strong level of support. And we did actually get an overextension up towards that 141 there at around $130, where we did find a bit of resistance. We rolled over and come back down to the last fib level, which was support. So overall, Avax trading really technically, and we do think $200 or $300 for this token could be very possible considering how much DeFi is booming on this network. So I'd like to thank everyone so much for their support. If you've got any questions or suggestions, please leave them down below, and don't forget to subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon, to stay up to date with 4 videos we post every single day. Remember, if you want to support the channel more directly and get a ton of benefits and insight, as well as joining our growing community, consider the Patreon or YouTube membership down below. There are 3 tiers giving you access to our private Discord. Crypto Supporter is available if you just want to help us out a small amount. Crypto Maximalist is our main tier, which gives you access to detailed daily technical analysis and signals, weekly and monthly coin calls, and insights into our personal moves, while Maximalist Gold takes it a step further, giving you an insight into our personal portfolio tracker, super low cap gem research, and a 100x portfolio we're constructing and updating, and access to us personally as a resource to discuss your portfolio via Messenger. Make sure to check it out. You can also sign up to our free Telegram and public Discord via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalist.